Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your phone supports live wallpapers and by freeing a little storage. This prevents installation hiccups. Open Settings to find wallpaper options if you want built-in choices, or visit your app store to search for live wallpaper if you prefer animated packs. Once done, choose whether to use an app-created live image or convert an existing video. The steps diverge there. Make sure to note whether your phone prefers GIF, live photo, or MP4 so you pick the right workflow. Next, install a reputable live wallpaper app or open your conversion tool and import the clip you want to use. Trim and crop the video to match your phone's aspect ratio so motion looks natural. For phones that use live photos, convert the video into that format. Once converted, follow the app prompts to save or export the live asset. After exporting, preview it in the app. If it loops or stutters, adjust duration and encoding settings before applying to avoid poor playback on the home screen. Finally, apply the live wallpaper through settings or directly from the app and pick whether it shows on your lock screen, home screen, or both. Observe how it behaves. If it drains battery or lags, make the clip shorter or reduce resolution to improve performance. If the wallpaper fails to set, reboot the phone, confirm the app has permission to modify system settings, and retry. That single-step reboot often resolves permission or cache issues, so you can enjoy smooth animated backgrounds immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.